Hello and welcome to Pullback Indicators. The markets have already closed and let's check out the performance of our indicator for today, 16th of March. As you can see, this is a 5-minute Nifty futures chart. Whenever we trade on index, we use a 5-minute time frame. So today morning we got a buy signal here, and we could not trade in the next candle as because the stop loss was very high. So we had to let go the trade. Again there was a sell signal, but the closing of the next candles were not below the signal candle, so again we missed out. And this signal, the third signal, is after 2 o'clock, so we avoid any signals which come after 2. Then Bank Nifty, we got a buy signal here, and this was the next candle, was the trading candle, but since the stop loss was very big, we let go this trade also, unfortunately. Now let's see some stocks. For stocks, we use a 3-minute time frame. This is a Infosys chart. Infosys, we got a buy signal here in the morning, and the trade happened on the next candle. From 1861 it went up right till 1893 levels. Next, BPCL, we got a buy signal here in the morning, but no trade happened. And then again these two sales are after 2 p.m. Let us see Grasim, we got a buy signal here, and this is the trading candle, but no trade happened on the second candle because the stop loss was very big. So here again we have got a sell signal. The trade executed on the next signal at the next candle at 1597 levels, and it came down till 1584. And as you know, when we make profit from the first signal, we avoid all other signals for the rest of the day. Then this is Ultratech Cement, we have got a buy signal here, and the trade happened in this candle, and it went up right till this level. Next we have Power Grid, again we have a buy signal here, and the trade happened on the next candle at 209.85, and there was a small profit till 209, a small profit, but okay. Let's see one more stock. This is Britannia. Again Britannia, we have a buy signal here. The trade executed on the next candle, and from 3246 we made 3, it went up to 3272. So not bad. Remember, we cannot predict the market, but if we remain consistent and stick to our trading rules with proper discipline and follow proper money management, then our chances of winning will be higher and lead to overall profit. This indicator works across all market segments, whether in equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodity, Forex and crypto. You can do intraday trading, positional trading and also swing trading. Along with the indicator, you also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, where to exit and where to put stop loss. This indicator works on TradingView chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. But if you want automatic buy sell notifications on your phone in the form of pop-up in your smartphone or your browser, then you can go for a TradingView Pro version, which will cost you $10 per month. Along with that, they also give you a 30-day trial package. This was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. In case you have any queries or any suggestions, you can send me an email or send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'll put my details in the description box. Hope you had a profitable day today. Thank you for watching.